not the greatest on my skin because I feel like it's peeling off my skin along with it. What is going on, guys? You are on the GoPro Views. Thank you for tuning in again. We're just out and about, you know, doing a little vlogging here and there, you know, see where we go. And Saturday, right now we're heading towards Tampa. Enjoy the views and enjoy the day. Nice pizza stop. We need food, energy. Nice. Probably gonna get some ice cream right after this. About to be pulling up to this ice cream spot and watch me lick some things.
This lighting on here is really nice.
Bro, I need an ice cream cone.
Nice.
It's a little cone, a root beer float.
Oh, yeah.
Haven't had that in a while. And nice little soft serve cone on a waffle. Make me poop my pants because lactose intolerance. Love it. Yummy.
346 minutes later. A few inches later.
Quarter mile mark. There's always cruising through the jungle. I like this path because it's actually pretty smooth for the longboards and like basically going downhill for a little bit. We're just cruising. Like didn't have to push off or nothing. We just made it to the half-mile mark already. So we did a quarter mile, half mile. Dang. Gonna go ahead and check out the spot real quick. A little pit stop. Birds, like Pokemon. There's gotta be like it's not that deep, but it's like decently deep. You got like people say you gotta expect in Florida and like any body of water there's gotta be gators. That's always my assumption anywhere I go, that there's a gator lurking somewhere in here. There's gotta be, right? Right? It's a nice area, spot. See the TSX right over there. Oh, looking good, looking good. Hot. Sweaty.
A few moments later. Eventually.
What is going on, guys? Figured I'll do a little bit more like just day in the life vlogging. It is Sunday right now. It is blazing midday and I'm deciding to just go trim my grass right now. So yeah, let's just do this real quick. Bring you along on this little weed whacking adventures. Just easier with a weed whack instead of getting out the lawnmower. So if you guys can't tell, you're on the GoPro views at the moment. Yeah, it's blazing hot right now. I'm not even like cutting grass. It's like a little bit of grass and a bunch of dirt and sand. It gets super messy. I need to take off my stock air intake box, which I'm probably gonna go ahead and do. No prickers in me. Ow. Prickers in me. Prickers in me.
12 seconds later.
Alright, y'all, so I'm kind of back in action. It's pretty bright out here. Hopefully it's not too bad on the GoPro and it adjusts. I'm just gonna try to take off this side of my bumper at least. Just take out the stock intake. Gotta look for this thing. I think I got it from Harbor Freight. It's perfect to get up on this screw right here without needing to like remove anything, like your wheel or some shit. All right, hopefully this is like low, but high enough too, so it doesn't look too low. All right. Maybe I'm gonna need to pop those out so I could get that out. So let's see if I got. So these are kind of like the best thing to use for all these stuff. So I need to like remove this, remove that, and I need to buy some inner fender liners. So if I'm gonna make this into a cold air intake, I don't want it sucking up a bunch of moisture. But I have to be careful because people said that this foam piece, it attracts moisture, like these cone style filters. So that's something I have to look into. That's on the ground, I think. That's something I have to look into because I didn't know. I mean, I never, first time trying this kind of style thing. So I guess we'll see. Let's go ahead and this out finally. A little bit of weight out of there. Since this is broken right here and I got some super glue, honestly, I don't care, bro. I'm gonna see if this will help. Since it's super hot, putting it on, letting the layers dry, and then putting on another layer and just kind of like layer on layer. I'm not getting underneath, which would help a little bit more, but it's honestly like right now it seems to be holding and drying up quick. So I'm just gonna keep doing this really a little bit, adding these layers. Hold that for a second. Like, I mean, like it holds right now. I don't know if I'm gonna just like try to put it in and all just like comes apart anyway. I guess it's worth a shot. See if it helps hold a little bit better for right now. It'll do something right there, hopefully. Not the greatest on my skin because I feel like it's peeling off my skin along with it. But it's whatever. It's like plastic welding practically, man. It's so hot out here with this glue.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.